Yo. So today I'm so excited. All right. I'm going to show y'all. I'm just not opening this up myself too, but I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on a pair of the Air Kiys from Kiys. If anybody know anything about these shoes, it's very exclusive. You normally can get them like from a pop-up shop, or if you're willing to pay, a resale price on them. I didn't want to pay resale on it, so I was waiting around, and like he never dropped anything on his site, right? So what ended up happening was he was down here for Art Basel, Miami. If you know, they have that like every year, I think, or every few years they have Art Basel. So I missed it. I was supposed to go that Saturday, but it's been my first year going. It was a whole bunch of stipulations that, I wasn't aware of, so I missed it. So I'm like, dang. So I'm like, man, missed the opportunity to get myself some cool Kiys. So I was a little annoyed by it or whatever. I took the L. That Sunday hit, which, Art Basel was over because it was that Friday, and that Saturday, Art Basel is done. So I'm on his page, I'm on his IG page and everything, and he's like, show closers, first come, first serve. He dropped the address. I'm like, yo, he's still in Miami. So mind you, I had been watching the page for a few months or whatever. Never was able to get my hands on any Air Kiys at all. I saw 360 Jeezy walking them. I see Rick Ross got a pair. I see a lot of people got them, and they like nice shoes. And then just like random people that I don't personally know, but just, I just see how everybody rocking. I'm like, yo, I gotta get my hands on a pair. So by him dropping the address, man, we speed down there, got there in about an hour. It was a line. That line was probably like an hour and some change long, almost 2 hours. We was in line waiting. I looked up, I was able to get not only one pair, but 4 pairs. So I'm gonna show you which pairs I got. As you can see, the first box is the Houston. This is what the box looks like. So if you know, every shoe he has and he drops, he comes out with it's like a different box for each shoe. So I'm gonna show you this shoe first, all right? This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna take both pairs out because I was able to get my hands on like 4 pair. So this is the Houston pair. This is what he calls them. It kind of reminds you of the shattered backboards, but in orange. And navy, right? So instead of it being like black here, it's navy blue, which I like. I don't know if you can see if it's picking it up on camera or not, but like here is that off white, like that vintage kind of color, and then it has like that patent leather all around the whole shoe. So it doesn't have like that wrinkly type material like the shattered backboards, but it's like that patent leather that's dropping on the bread ones that's coming out the ending of this month. So I like the shoe. Yeah, you feel me? Like it's a really nice shoe. It's pretty basic, it's patent leather all around, aside from here. It's made like every other Jordan 1, but it's good. I think the quality is really good. You look on the bottom of them, you got the signature reads on the bottom. So I'm gonna move on to the next pair that I got, because I don't want to make this video too long. I want you to watch the whole video and like the video and subscribe to the channel and comment. I'm asking for a lot, but I want you to do all of that. Now, I'm gonna put this up. I'm gonna show you the next pair. The next pair, he don't have like a name for it, as far as I know. But this is what the box looked like. I don't remember when he released these or whatever, but this is just the navy and the navy and red pair. And again, like I said, I'm trying to back up a little bit so you can notice that this bottom part is like that vintage kind of color. Is not completely white. I don't know if the light is allowing you to see, the actual color. I don't know if me coming closer makes it better or worse, but it's like a vintage kind of material. Not material, but color. Like it's like that off-white vintage color. And like I said, it's the patent leather all around, aside from, you know, the tongue or whatever. This did come with an extra pair of laces, red laces. So I don't know, it has a navy blue pair already in there, which I do like. And so since it's, I mean, I personally like when I have red laces as a pop of color. So if they have a little bit of red in the shoe, I normally pop in the red laces, but you never know. You know, for now, I think I'm gonna keep the navy in there. I haven't even laced them up yet. I haven't worn them. I had them for about a week, but I didn't even do anything with it because I wanted to do it on camera first. So I can show you guys what I grabbed. Now, for what he dropped in Miami. What is it? Vincent Van Gogh. So basically, it's like he's a painter. So basically, you know, if you ever been to Art Basel, you know that it's about, you know, art. It's about, you know, it's a lot of artists, and you know, it's a really nice event to go to if you're into like that type of stuff. So to kind of go on the Art Basel event type thing, he did the Art Van Goghs, which is basically a painting, a popular painting that this guy did. He did the shoe like that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm opening up the shoe. Sorry for the camera keep shaking like this. But it's wrapped all up. So I'm unwrapping it right now. So this is my first time opening up the shoes in a week because I wanted to show you guys. So this is what it's looking like. So it is like wrapped up in plastic or whatever these two pairs were. So, and then in the box is like clear. So it's like basically it's giving you like that, like a picture frame type feel to it. So that's the reason why he did it like this, like clear like this. So it's kind of like a picture frame type thing, right? To match with what was going on at Art Basel. So take it off. It is the clear box. Like I said, it's a clear box. That says Art Van Gogh. Sorry if it's kind of blurry or whatever. And here they are. Very, very fly. It has like lime green around here. Then it also has like that's the same painting in the inside. Now, if you look on the sides here, this is the painting, the Art Van Gogh, one of his very popular paintings. Is all around the whole shoe here. And this is not patent leather like the other shoes, which I do like that because I don't like all of my shoes patent leather. But it gives you like that nice off-white vintage. It's a little bit darker here, that vintage kind of color. Like it's like a tan. Yeah, it's like a tan kind of color, and it's like, it's really nice. I mean, I love this shoe. It's like, I like it more now than when I actually did when I was there at the, which I'm going to post in this video probably at the end. I'm just going to add in, like, he's a very cool dude, man. Like, shook his hand. We took a picture together at the event. It was a really, really nice event. So I'm going to add that in there. But I like these more now than when I was there. So it's super fly. This is the bottom of the shoe also. So you like I said, you also have that look on the bottom as well. So man, it's a lot of detail, and it's really, really nice. The shoe is nice and extra laces. So it comes with these blue laces or these, which for me, I don't even know which ones I'm gonna put in. Like, I'm so excited. You can tell how excited I am about these shoes because like I'm really just now seeing a lot of this as far as the laces are concerned, how the bottoms are made. Because I haven't even seen anybody make a video on these just yet. So like I said, I love that. And then the tongue is like that royal blue color, and then there's like that yellow tongue here, and then back here is like it's so much detail. He really, really outdid himself on these. So On to my next pair. And he gives you dust bags. I didn't mention anything about it, but every shoe has a dust bag in it. Some of the shoes, like if you got like a college pair, which I have yet to get my hands on, they come with like a little flag, like a college flag or whatever. Now, the next, last and final pair is the Distill edition. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But he got like a whole, this is the type of painting that they do. And so it gives you like a whole background of what the shoe is and everything like that. And as you can see, the whole box is made up of that painting. So I'm going to open it up. Like I said, this is my first time opening it up is on camera with you guys. So, you know, excuse me if I look a little excited as I'm opening it up, but it's my first time really seeing it. I mean, I saw it when I was purchasing it, but not on this level. So, this is what I came down there for, was these. And basically the whole shoe is like that suede, soft suede material, I guess. I don't want to mess the material name up, but it's like a soft material. Like it's soft, but it's so nice, man. You got like that mustard color in the front. You got burnt orange. Then you got like the dark turquoise here. Then the black here. It's like nice. Black on the bottom. The inside is made like the box and like the shoe. Like I said, the shoe is basically like a representation of this painting. Laces, the black ones are in here. Then you also got the off-white color. So for me, I mean, the shoe is super nice, man. Like, look at the detail, like outline in black here, on the upper. I mean, the detail that he put in his shoe, all in his shoes, not just these, but it's surprising to me. You know what I mean? Young guy, super down to earth, man. He's not just putting out anything. So let's talk about real quick pricing. A lot of people probably going to be asking, you know, what did you pay for it? You know, stuff like that. It was $300 each pair of shoes. Now, some people are like, well, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Why would you pay $300 for, you know, it's not Nike, it's not designer, it's not this or that. For one, I didn't want the shoe. I wanted the shoe. I didn't know the price before I got there, but I felt like it was worth it. I do feel like if he is, you know, the next Kanye, or if he is the next Virgil, or next Jordan, whoever, as far as design is concerned, as far as with Jordan, I feel like, you know, to be the first person, one of the first people with some of these designs, I think that it is good. And I think you never know, if you believe in a person, where, you know, it'll go. And you know what I mean? So it might be $300 today and maybe $1,000 tomorrow. Because it is more and more exclusive. There's more and more celebrities starting to wear them. I see also Cinco had a pair on his page. Jim Jones. There's more and more people finding out about it. So I think the more, you know, like I said, celebrities, it's going to get more exclusive. He's not, got to remember, he's not a big manufacturing company, you know, as far as like a Nike or Adidas or anything like that. So by him doing this, self-made, independent, you don't know, he might release something and then that's it for a while. You get what I mean? Like a lot of these pairs might be the only time you see these pairs. So, like I said, I'm super excited. I think the shoe is worth it. Tell me what you think about the shoe. Drop a comment. Do you think they're worth $300 each? Do you feel like it's a ridiculous amount of money to pay? You know, would you buy them? I know he just released a pair last night, actually. He released a pair and he dropped them for $275. I didn't care much for the colorway because I do have something similar. It is a nice colorway, but it's like a regular royal blue and white. It's a nice shoe. But because I do have like the Air Van Goghs and stuff like that, I just decided to keep it how it is. let me know what you guys think. Like I said, it's a nice shoe. It's a fly shoe, and I'm excited about him. I can't wait to wear him. Shouts out to him for going after what he believes in and investing that money in creating something I've never seen done. You know, I've seen people collab with, you know, big brands, but I've never seen somebody actually go out, make their own design, and, you know, blow up the way that he's doing. Young African-American guy. I'm happy for him. I'm excited for him, and I hope it goes further than what it even is now. So shouts out to him. Thank you guys for watching. I'm thinking about should I do like a thumb tag or not, but I think I got thumbnail, but I got it already. So thanks for watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and thanks for watching.